let me start with you first. Give us a sense of how you're maneuvering through markets. It's been a while since we've had you here. How are you playing the market at this point? Would you wait, given the uncertainty? Give us a sense of what you're seeing.
Hi and good morning. So yes, of course, we are navigating volatility at this point in time, and we don't know how long this volatility lasts. But a few facts that we need to, take into mind in this current market environment. So when we looked at past data, especially around wars, what we saw is that markets typically bottom out before the actual end of the war scenario. The second fact that we looked at is post a crisis. What we've seen is when the markets start to recover, the initial leg of the crisis or the recovery period is led by multiples re-rating, and then earnings have to flow through. And third, in terms of valuations, when we looked at the COVID time, we saw that valuations for the market had bottomed out at about 17 times on a one-year forward basis, while during the Russia-Ukraine crisis, it bottomed out at about 19 times. So today, when you look at our markets in terms of valuations, the Nifty is trading at about 19 times on one-year forward, which is slightly below its long-term averages. So valuations are reasonable. They are slightly below long-term averages, but they are not in deep value territory as yet. So therefore, we will have to navigate the market as things start to evolve. But overall, from a positioning perspective, the way we are looking at segments within the market, we continue to believe that large and mid caps are better placed than small caps, because here valuations are in your favor. And of course, we all wait to see how this entire war situation unfolds, and then what's the impact in terms of earnings. And the final point here is, so far consensus earnings for FY27 have not really been cut. And therefore, at this point in time, it's still a wait and watch scenario. We will use market corrections to add to equities, but near-term volatility is something that we will have to navigate.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.